Good morning, guys. It is currently 6:45. My friend and I are going to New York City. We're taking the train. What if we get on the wrong train? My outfit right now is, when I first put it on, it was kind of looking like I'm gonna bake you some cookies, grandma style. Tried doing some adjustments. I'm gonna be wearing a very heavy coat because it is so cold out right now. It is literally like 20 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. I don't remember. My friend Emily hasn't even texted me yet, so I really don't even know if she's awake. I'm debating if I should like bring my tripod. I don't know if it's the best idea to bring attention to myself. So Emily's alarm didn't go off. It's okay though, because she said give me 10 minutes. Ow. She's awake.
It's been kind of a chaotic morning.
It's been so chaotic, but
we made it.
We're here. An hour?
Like an hour.
Like an hour train ride. It's so cold out right now. We hope it gets warmer. But yeah. We've been on about like an hour. We're still on the way. I think we're like halfway there. Yeah. We've been talking real smack. Just kidding.
We're taking on the world.
Yeah, whatever we come across, we will go.
Made it. We're like here. Ooh.
It's kind of doing us dirty right now. Wow. We're here. In New York. Look how cozy we are right now. It's so cold right now. I'm so
Macy's.
excited.
Let's just go into Macy's.
Okay. Good morning. Oh my god. I got my matcha. We're in Macy's right now. The greeting was amazing. I would work here. We've decided that we're just gonna let the day float out. We don't want to stick on a schedule, so we're not going to.
We are going to every single store.
My hands are so cold, so I can't really record, but we'll update you.
How are you holding that cold This is my room, guys. I'm gonna
Closet. Does that have a chair? It's getting warmer to the point where I can like potentially take off my coat. Maybe?
That's excessive, I feel like.
I don't know, dude. Do you hear that?
It smells like this.
I love it. It's literally the New Year's ball. The coats are off and we're warm. Oh wait, actually I'm kind of cold. This is so pretty. Is that brushing her hair? Alright guys, so this is my house room. This is the study. I only have access to this, so no one knows what it is. But
Exactly. Secretive.
come on, Vogue. That works so no one gets lost in my house. This is where I come to sit, to really meditate, and to just de-stress about everything. I look at all the crazies. You know, this is my house. I have Chipotle right outside, can you believe? I'm really living that NYC experience. We're just walking on the street, the sidewalks. But we're also gonna try to enjoy the best of it because we only have like 3 more hours left, unfortunately. It's 2 o'clock right now. A little while left, so. What?
I just love New York.
The New York is really starting in New York.
Yeah, it's actually really busy now.
It's pretty busy now. We didn't expect it, but like this morning was like not as busy. Like it was like not as busy for New York, but now like the crowds are really starting to come in. Once the public library and stuff, that was fun. We're just heading to the area that we're a little bit more familiar with, so we don't get lost and we don't lose our train or whatever.
Hey guys, we're currently in New York now.
Dude,
well, I am.
I look.
He isn't, but I think he's.
No, I mean, I'm getting there. If we have an hour, we shouldn't, you know, like just leave it, you know. We're trying to find somewhere to sit because our legs are freaking killing us.
Flash.
I'm not done. She is. It's me editing. Also, these are blue light glasses. They broke. Yes, I'm still going to use them. I just wanted to quickly come on here and say we were running around Macy's for like about an hour debating if we wanted to catch the most recent train. We just kind of like went back outside for like literally like 10 minutes and then we decided, you know what? Wait, I don't even remember where we went. Walked around a little bit more. That's why like it's the next clip is kind of like, oh, we went back outside for like literally 5 seconds and then like you see us in the train station. After like spending so much time trying to figure out if we wanted to catch the train, we missed it. So we just had no choice but then to take the next train that we were waiting for. Sorry if that's kind of confusing. So just wanted to clear that up. Hello?
Everything right now.
We're kind of out of energy. It was a fun day.
It was so fun. We had a great time.
We had a great time. We did a lot of stuff and a lot of stuff we didn't do. And that's fine. These photos are so
Celebrity.
good. Are you kidding? Meanwhile, I'm like over here looking like... I think it's a great idea to get a round trip, which was only $30.
Mine was $60 because they charged me twice.
Yeah, she got charged twice, but that's a different story. It's literally so fun. I mean, it's a little harder during the winter time because it is like so cold. It's a lot of fun to come to New York and just like libraries are free, just like walk around. New York is expensive. If you don't plan on spending money, literally all you have to pay for is the train ticket if you live close by. So luckily we ran into someone helped us get on the train and we've just been so thankful. So thank you so much. After such a fun, long, exciting day, we are home. Today was so fun. We did so much today. So we went to everything. Tried a fancy restaurant. It didn't work out. Kind of a long story, but it wasn't in our budget. So we had to leave. I feel kind of gross after, but it's fine. Literally, like, can't say one bad thing about today. I kind of look oily right now, but that's like the only negative. But yeah, today was so fun. I have no complaints whatsoever. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. I love posting vlogs so much. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.